Let's look at Casper now. I've been talking about Casper here as the same as Baby Dogecoin. When Baby Dogecoin pumped, many of you start taking me serious. Soon, Casper will pump, and you guys will, you take me serious. Now, this is Casper on the daily time frame, and I want to zoom out this bad boy. This bad boy has been dumping like hell. Look at these guys, and this dump has created a huge opportunity. I don't care whether Casper is going to zero or Casper is going to where. Casper is a blockchain project. And this means they are going to be here to an extent. It's not just a meme coin or a random coin or something. This is a blockchain project. And they are building solutions or product that we need, that humans need on a day-to-day basis. Maybe based on their strategy right now is impacting the price, is making the price to dump to be where it is right now. But trust me, the project is still there, building, looking for solutions. They haven't gone anywhere. This is a company that has built a blockchain, and they are gonna do what it takes to bring in users on that blockchain, or to bring in developers on that blockchain to develop products on that blockchain. Just like how we see developers building on Ethereum, Solana, Base. There's the same kind of mindset, CSPR Casper. So I had to say this because I want you not to look at the project as any other kind of a project. Let's say, for example, a meme coin is launching on, or any, yeah, a meme coin is launching on the Casper network. If you're buying that meme coin, let's say it happens in the future, that volume alone is going to push the price of Casper, because if we get in more developers and more projects being launched on their blockchain, then it's going to attract more, users, to use that blockchain to buy that coin, sell, to transact on the blockchain. So I think this is what is lacking with this project. But let's dive into the price action to see where we are at this point in time and where we can expect this bad boy to go. Now, looking at the way I analyze the market, it's clear. I've like already marked the zones that I think that Casper is gonna go to, and I did this by bringing in the FIB two. I can do it still with you right now, and how it works. Go simple on the right hand corner of your trading view chart. Bring in the Fibonacci tool. Plug it from where this move started to the bottom of this move. I think we have reached the bottom of this move, and look at where the 0.2, the 0.382 zone is. This is it here, this line. And this is where we're gonna see the first pump to. The first pump is gonna go there. That's the first target. If say you are a trader, you are a swing trader, if you want to take Casper long term, then this is where you catch the first profit. Now, what will happen if we see this happen? If this is actually the case, we're gonna see some sort of pullback here. You know, pullback here. After this pullback, price is going to go and attempt the next zone, which is the 0.5 zone, and break above. If it breaks above, it means we are in an uptrend, like we are making higher highs and higher lows, and the pullback should be around, still around this zone, or maybe come right down here, but it must not go and cross. Yeah, it can also close below here. And if say price is able to hold above this, this area here, then we are expecting the next move to go around and cross above the golden pocket. After the golden pocket, we are looking at, this other line here. You can come down here, go to the other line here, come and go up. Now, it must break structure here. And if price is not able to break structure, let me bring in the alpha trend, so we can analyze this with the alpha trend. So if price is not able to break structure, like what, just like, I know this is crazy, but if price is not able to do this, what I just mark here, then we might be in a difficult, like, situation for CSPR or Casper. Now, because we are still holding this zone, I would say that buy Casper. Like, if I have to, let me say I'm your financial advisor, even though I am not, but I would say buy Casper, right? Because we are still, the alpha trend having printed a buy signal, and we are still above the alpha trend. You can see it clearly. And if I drop down to the 4 hours time frame, you're gonna see this even more clearer. Let me take off of all of this stuff here. So you can going to see this even more clearer. Now we can see we have more data and look at what price was doing in the past. Price break structure, yeah, came back held. It breaks structure again. It came back, it held the alpha trend pointed a buy signal. It went up and make higher highs, but it get to this zone where this area, yeah. I always say that when you are analyzing the market on the daily time frame and you are taking your trades on the 4 hours time frame, look at if you are taking a buy, if you want to buy or you are buying, let's say you are buying after the market has dipped, you know, look at where the alpha trend printed a sell signal. That's where your target is. And the alpha trend is a free indicator on TradingView. It's free of charge. Just go to the indicator tab and search for alpha trend. The first one by Kivan Ops Bill Gig. This is the one I'm using. Alpha trend screener. It's free of charge. And if say you want to get my same settings, I'm gonna click on this now to give me the settings. So you can get the same settings that I have on the alpha trend. Let me see if it's gonna pop up here. Let's see. Okay, let's see. Mm, this is the alpha trend. Let me see if I can get the settings. Yeah, so look, these are the settings, my settings, the alpha trend. These are the colors, the trigger, the buy. Let's go to the input. This is it. Length 14, multiplier 1. You can scroll down the axis 20, the vertical axis 1, and you can either tick all of this or it's gonna be tick for you automatically. So this is my setting for the alpha trend. And when I saw price get to this zone, last time, I mentioned that I'm gonna cash out profit, and I did cash out profit. Yeah. Now I bought it again. Yeah. And I've cashed out profit again. Why? Because price got to this sell signal, and I know that whenever price get to the sell signal on the alpha trend, I expect pullback from it. And if price is gonna break that zone, I'm gonna expect pullback and hold around this zone. So you can see price is rejecting this area for Kaspa. This is a zone that price have rejected multiple times in the past year. Price did it yeah, price did it yeah, and now price is doing it again. So I'll rightly say that if price break this zone, then we can confirm that the uptrend is back for CSPR. But at the same time, we must not see price break below and close below here. So looking at the macro for Casper, in essence, we should stay above this line, this zone here. We must stay above this area. We must not price must not do this, go close below there. We have to stay above this range. And if we stay above that range, then what I think price should be doing is going sideways. That's the least I think price should do. And looking at the weekly time frame for CSPR Casper, it's clear that we have seen a huge dip. Like, look at this dip, guys. If I zoom out this, if I zoom, look at this. This dip started here around, let's say, March of 2024. Look, so almost all of this year we have been seeing this bad boy, plunging downward. So I think to an extent we should expect this reversal for CSPR Casper. If say you are a CSPR Casper holder, comment below and let me know that you are with me on this bad boy. You are holding this bad boy and it's gonna make you some huge gains. Of course, again, we cannot be setting if say you're gonna make money, but we can look at previous data and look at the project, the fundamentals, if price is still intact. So if say the fundamental is still intact, the team keep building, they keep building new products, then come on. At one point, price is going to reflect the fundamentals. So that's that for CSPR Casper.